Hi guys, here I want to tell you how to install GTA 5 on Epic Games without downloading it. First, you must have the GTA 5 file from Steam or Crackfile GTA. On May 5th, Epic Games make GTA 5 free, so you must claim it first. Then, you press the install button, but pause it if it's already installing. And remember where you put the installation. And now copy the file from your Steam or Crack folder. Search for the GTA 5 file. Here I don't have GTA in my Steam, but I have the file. You can copy or cut the file, it's your option. Then paste it in the GTA V file from Epic Games. Just follow what I do. Then resume the installation. It will show you verifying, because it is finding the file that already exists. Just wait until the verification done, and it's ready to play. That's it guys, I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.